So we're doing page 3. Sorry, my bad. All right. Now, in the previous video, they did tell us what we didn't know what time it was going to end, right? But now we do. So the start time is, what's the start time? 2:40. And when is it going to end? 4:15. So we know that part. So I'm going to put 4:15 here at the end. Okay. So let's go by hours. If I went from 2:40 and I did 1 hour, would be how much?
3 o'clock.
2:40, 1 hour? I'm just changing the hour. 3:40. Okay. If I did another hour, I would go past 4:15. So I can't do that, can I? Okay. So let's go by let's go by tens. So from 3:40, 10 more minutes is how much?
3:50.
3:50. And 10 more minutes from 4 o'clock. Okay. And then 10 more minutes? 4:10. Yeah. And now I'm almost there, huh? So then I'm going to do a little one, which is 5, and then I get to 5:15. Now I need to count. Watch. This is 1 hour, correct? Because that was our mountain. This is how much again? 10 minutes. This was also 10 minutes, and so was this 10 minutes. Okay, and then the little hill right here was how much? 5. Now we have to count all these. Okay, so obviously I have 10, 20, 30, 35. So at least I have 35 minutes of that. Okay, plus the hour, an hour and 35 minutes. So how long? What was the elapsed time?
How much time is passed?
Right here.
135.
Well, it's 1 hour and 35 minutes. That was the elapsed time. Okay. We'll do another example as well. And then you'll do the rest of the page, and I'll have somebody else at the back table with Ms. Martinez, and then I'll have another group over here with you with me, okay? And then I do have an assignment for you guys to work on Google Classroom that he has got to finish from yesterday. All right, second one. Okay. So what's her start time? 8:10. And when does it end? 10:45. All right. So if I take 8:10 and I just add 1 hour, where would I be? 9:10. Good. Let me make that a little higher. And then another hour? Can I do another hour and I'll go over to 10:45?
Yes.
Yeah, so if I did another hour, how much would that be?
10:10.
10:10. There you go. Okay. So if I did 10 more minutes, how much would that be?
10:20.
10:20. Get this out of the way. If can I do another 10? Yes. How much would that be?
10:30.
10:30. Can I still go another 10?
Yes.
Yes, I can. How much would that be?
10:40.
10:40. Can I do another 10 or another 5?
Another 5.
Another 5. Okay, so I'll do a little small one. So this would be right here, 10:40, and right here, that would be 10:45. Okay, so I had 1 hour. I had another hour here. Here I had 10 minutes. Here I had another 10 minutes. Here I had another 10 minutes. And then this one was 5 minutes. Go ahead and write your answer right here, and then I'll tell you what we got based on that. Let me pause it. So how much time did it elapse?
2 hours and 35 minutes.
Okay, so I know for sure that these two, 1 hour to 1 hour, that gives me 2 hours, right? And then I need my colon. And then I had 10 minutes, 20, 30, plus 5 more is, what do we say? 35. So 2 hours and 35 minutes has elapsed. All right. Awesome. So in our math word problems packet, go to page 11, right here. Okay, and then we'll do this together. Okay. It says the table shows the number of students who chose apples, oranges, bananas, and or grapes as their favorite fruit. Use the data to complete the picture graph. Okay. I'm going to have to use a key. What's the key that I have to use here at the bottom? A circle. And each circle represents how many students?
2.
2 of them. Okay. So look at my chart right here at the top. Okay. How many students chose apples? 8. If each circle represents 2, how many circles am I going to make?
4.
4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And how many chose oranges?
2.
So how many circles am I going to make?
1.
Just 1, because each circle represents how many students? 2 of them. Good. How many chose bananas? 4. So how many circles am I going to make? 2. Because each one of those is 2. So 2, 4. How many chose grapes?
6.
So how many circles am I going to make?
3.
3, because 2 times 3 is 6. Because the key says that each circle represents 2 students. Okay. Now, just a little side note. If, let's say, there was another fruit and it was, I don't know, watermelon, and 3 students chose it, how many circles am I going to make now? 1.5, right? Because 1, it would be 2 students, and a half a circle would be only 1. So it would be something like this. Right? Okay. Just want you to see that. Okay. We good? All right, let's keep going. Oh, whoa. Now look. So we had 4 of them right here, right? Because I have to use this information to make the bar graph at the bottom. And then only 1 orange, 2 for banana, and 3 for grapes, right? Okay, so now I have to do a bar graph. So on the side right here, that's the number of fruits, okay? Okay, so number of fruit. And I think I'm gonna go with 2, then it's 4, 6, 8, like that. Makes it a lot easier. Okay. And then the title, the top part is the title. So fruits. You know what? Let's do this. Call it favorite fruits. Okay. So how many students chose apples? 8 of them. So my bar goes there. How many students chose oranges?
2.
2 students. So my bar goes there. How many students chose bananas? 4. So then my bar goes, oops, sorry. So then my bar goes here. And then how many students chose grapes? 6. So then my bar goes here. And there it is. That's my bar graph. Page 12, it says the table shows the colors of leaves that Jameson saw at the park. Use the data to make a graph of your choosing, okay, to show your work. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bar graph. Okay. A bar graph like this. Actually, more like this. Okay. And what are the colors again?
Brown.
I'm going to do B for brown. What's the other one?
Red.
R for red.
Y for yellow.
Y for yellow. And what's the last one?
G for green.
Green. And it looks like it's going by tens, correct?
Yeah.
So I think I'm going to go by tens, but I'm going to do 20 at a time. So my first line would be 20, 40, 60, and then 80 towards the top, okay? If it's 30, it's going to be in between 20 and 40, right? So then I could use my graph, my bar graphs, my bars, like this. How many were brown? How many were brown? 80. Okay, so that would be here. 80. Because we said that this was 20, right? And this was 40. This was 60. And then the top one was 80. Okay. All right, how many were red?
30.
30. So there's no 30 here. How far am I going to go? Between the 20 and the 40, right here like this. That's actually 30, okay? Okay, how many yellows?
40.
So here's the 40 line, and that's how I'm going to go like that. And how many greens?
20.
20. Which is this line right here. And that's what would be my bar graph. And we could title it like this right here. Color of leaves. Right? Color of leaves. Okay, but then here we're gonna title it number of leaves. And then the bottom part are the colors, right? Are the colors. That's how you would label your graph.